Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will review MG Hector. So this is the top model Sharp in diesel. So these are the DRLs and these are the headlights which are in LED, and this is the front grille with MG logo and chrome finish on it. And this is the front view. You've got silver skid plate. So these are the alloy wheels, sizes 215/55 by R18. They are for Goodyear, and you can see, look, these are the door handles with a chrome on it, and we have got ORVM's body color, turn indicator on it. Morris Garage is written here, and this is the side view. Coming to back, you got this tail lights which are in LED. You could see in the previous pre-facelifted model you get this is also in tail light color, but now this is in black. I've got the dual muffler. Just this one is fake, but that is original. This is the back view. We've got defoggers and wipers in the car, a sharpened interior and sunroof. When you will open your ORM, it will unfold. This is the side door, black and beige. Auto, power window, auto open, auto down, the first one, lock and unlock. These are the seats which are electric adjustable. Let's see, these are 6-way adjustable. Could see that. And these are the tweeters. This is the MG logo. This is the MG Hector steering. We have got a flat bottom steering wheel, and this is its MID, speedometer and tachometer. This is the armrest of the car, which is openable, but it is not adjustable. You have got here to view the 360-degree parking camera. This is the manual gearbox. This is the touchscreen, which is 10.25 inches touchscreen with indicators, and to off traction control. You have got this sunglass holder and this lights which are in white color. Here you got a mirror with a light. This is the sunglass holder that you have got with a light, and this is the auto dimming IRVM. Yes, the controls are at the back, and here also you have got a mirror with an light. So this is the manual handbrake. You don't get any automatic handbrake the way you get like in Hyundai Creta. This is the glove box which opens like this, and you can see the storage space. Check the storage space, and you got a big sunroof. The back view, and now we will leather wrapped steering wheel, start stop button. So this is its touch screen. You have got controls here of volume, but you can't do it like this knob. You have to do it from here, plus minus, or you have to on the defogger, and all the AC controls are here. I've got to view the 360-degree parking camera. This is a 360-degree parking camera. The back view, I mean, quality in camera you can see, but in real life it's not as good as any other cars. This थोड़ी सी कंप्लेंट है इस कार में, कैमरे में पार्किंग कैमरा इसका नहीं इतना बढ़िया, and you can check the camera. And this is this is a little bit, I mean, laggy, and you've got a navigation also in the car. Here are the AC controls. You've got the AC controls in it. Low, I mean, you can set the temperature, and you can set the fan speed. You can off. And this is the sunroof. Now this is the sunroof of MG Hector. It opens like this and closes like this, and when you will press this button, it will go. You have to press it. This much it's go only, and you have got a blinder comes here. This much is sunroof. Now we will close this. This is for the blinder, and this button is for the blinder. You can see. So it takes time. You can open in the halfway also. The design is like ventilated seats, but this is not the ventilated seats. And now we will off. First I will show you this. It's MID, and MID you can see. These are the options of MID. You could check it. It was voice command in it. Hello MG. Got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Voice command in it. Hello MG.
Yes.
Please open the sunroof. Hello MG.
I'm listening.
Please close the sunroof. So it is closing. The key with lock and unlock and to open the boot. This is the boot space. We have got a parcel tray in it. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much.